How to exchange currency on Revolut. Welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure to exchange currency on Revolut. So basically, to exchange currency on Revolut, you need to follow the steps. First thing first, open your Revolut app, log into your account, and tap on the home icon in the bottom menu. Below your balances, you could tap the more button and select exchange, or directly tap the exchange button if visible. Then you want to choose the currency you want to sell and the currency you want to buy. Use the arrow icon to switch between buying and selling. Then you can input the amount you wish to convert. Then tap review order to see the currency or current exchange rate and any associated fees before confirming as well. Then you could go ahead and tap to complete the exchange. The money appears instantly in your new currency account. And that's how you're going to change or exchange currency on Revolut. So with that, we've completed the steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.